Rumors surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra suggest it may not receive a major battery improvement, as indicated by a recent social media leak focused on Samsung's future flagship series. Multiple reports claim the Ultra variant could feature an under-display camera. Compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery, trusted leaker Panda Flash Pro hinted that Samsung might only increase the battery to 5,400 mAh. Replying to a post on X about potential battery specs of the upcoming Ultra models, Panda stated, "Charging remains below 65 W, refresh rate is locked at 120 Hz, no under-display camera, and battery might cap under 5,400 mAh." Earlier, Panda suggested the Galaxy S26 Ultra may top out at 5,500 mAh. While fans may feel underwhelmed by the small battery boost, there's more to the story. Rumors indicate Samsung may integrate next-gen silicon-carbon batteries in the Galaxy S26 line, similar to those used in the OnePlus 13, which offer significantly greater density than standard lithium-ion cells. This would allow larger effective capacity without increasing the actual size. Plus, battery capacity is just one part of overall endurance. The processor also plays a critical role, and Samsung phones remain top-tier in power efficiency. It's anticipated that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will launch with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite 2 chipset. Given the current chip's efficiency, power management should see noticeable gains. While Ultra models often use identical chips, some leaks suggest the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus may run Exynos 2600 in select regions. As always, early rumors require skepticism. Galaxy S26 leaks remain preliminary, and full confirmation won't come until the official unveiling. Although no specific date has been announced, Samsung is expected to reveal the S26 series in early 2026. The Galaxy S26 may offer a new main camera sensor, but retain the same 50 MP specs. With Google I/O wrapped up, focus shifts to hardware reveals. As Samsung's foldables near launch, early Galaxy S26 leaks are gaining momentum. Even with 8 months until its expected January or February 2026 launch, fresh details are emerging. South Korean insiders claim Samsung is developing new battery tech to boost charging speed and capacity in future flagships, despite ongoing reports suggesting only minor updates in core features. The latest leak presents a mix of upgrades and carryovers, especially concerning the base S26's primary camera. A new rumor from Galaxy Club via Android Authority says the Galaxy S26 base model will retain its 50 MP rear camera, consistent since the Galaxy S22. The sensor, however, is getting an upgrade. Samsung has been using the same ISO GN3 sensor in the S23, S24, and S25 base models. The S26 will reportedly feature a newer, unreleased GN series sensor. More info may emerge after the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 launches. Additionally, Samsung may follow Vivo's strategy by reusing the S25 Ultra's 200 MP primary camera for the S26 Ultra, while upgrading the periscope lens to 200 MP from 50 MP. With the S25 lineup and rumored S25 Edge model released, Samsung's mobile roadmap remains packed. Still, speculation around the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung's expected top-tier 2026 flagship, is in full swing. According to new leaks, some standout S25 Ultra features may be improved further. The S26 Ultra could sport thinner bezels than its predecessor. If Samsung continues the trend, the device may house a 6.9-inch screen with barely increased footprint. If advancements continue, it may even feature a 7-inch display, making it the first mainstream slab phone of that size. Panda Flash mentioned the bezel shrinkage in reply to a post about the S26's rumored selfie cam. Despite speculation, Panda remains firm. There's no under-display selfie camera due to performance concerns. They gave no sources, and previous predictions for the S25 Ultra were only partially accurate, so treat these claims with caution. Still, Reducing bezels while keeping the punch-hole camera intact would be a logical upgrade without requiring a full internal overhaul, keeping the S26 Ultra in Samsung's top-tier lineup. A major upgrade could also come in the form of a next-gen OLED display. A reliable source claims Samsung plans to use a color filter on encapsulation (COE) OLED in the S26 Ultra. If true, it would be the first bar-type phone using this tech. First seen in the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and also present in the newly launched Z Fold 6, this display tech is supplied by Samsung to brands like Google, Vivo, and Xiaomi. COE technology replaces the polarizer in traditional OLEDs with a color filter, allowing for better brightness, lower power use, and thinner panels. It also improves color accuracy and overall screen quality. On top of that, Samsung may adopt the sleek, edge design for the S26 Ultra, creating an ultra-thin flagship. But the slimmer body may limit room for components like the S Pen. Samsung recently introduced the Galaxy S25 Edge, whose standout feature is its incredibly thin 5.8mm profile. A tipster says the S26 Ultra may follow the slim form, which could align high-end models with Samsung's new minimalist aesthetic. However, this could come at the cost of S Pen support, a hallmark of the Ultra series. The S25 Ultra's S Pen supports screen-off memos, handwriting to text, and pressure sensitivity, but not Bluetooth. If Samsung slims the S26 Ultra to match the Edge's thickness, fitting an S Pen would be a major engineering challenge. It could require a redesign or relocating the pen entirely, possibly at the expense of convenience or features. For loyal Galaxy Note fans, this might feel like a downgrade. So, what are your thoughts? Would a sleeker design, small battery upgrade, or built-in S Pen make you switch to the S26 Ultra? Share your views in the comments, and as always, see you in the next one.
Peace out.